Top 10 exercises to increase height. Height is a very important characteristic of the human body. It has a very important role in our body. Children today stunt their growth due to poor diet and lack of exercise, and they face many problems. Before the age of 18, each children can grow 4 inches a year. Today I will tell you 10 such exercises by which you can increase your height. Number 1. Pelvic tilt. Pelvic tilt, also known as pelvic tilt, is an exercise to strengthen the lower back, glute muscles, lower abdominal muscles, and maintain hip muscles balance. It does not require weight, although they can be placed on the stomach. Number 2. Cobra stretch. Stretches the front body, includes chest, abdominals, and psoas muscles. Balance out and opens up the hunch many of us end up having as our go-to posture. Open the heart and the lungs, improve spinal flexibility and mobility. Number 3. Bar hanging. With your arms shoot width apart, grip the bar with your palms facing away from you and overhand grip. Then once you are sure of your grip, step off the bench below and hang down from the bar with your arms straight. Do not let your lower back arch. Squeeze your glutes and quads, engaging your core. Rope skipping. Skipping is a dynamic warm-up to prepare the body for running. Move forward across the room, kicking one knee upward and forward while hanging on the other foot. Alternate legs while traveling forward. Wall stretch. Stand with your shoulder about 2 feet from the wall. Raise your arm to shoulder level and gently walk your fingers up the wall as high as you can hold for 3 to 5 seconds. Cycling. Cycling is mainly an aerobic activity, which means that your heart, blood vessels, and lungs all get a workout. You will breathe deeper, perspire, and experience increased body temperature, which will improve your overall fitness level. The health benefits of regular cycling include increased cardiovascular fitness. Number 7. Single leg hopping. Single leg hops is a plyometric drill that helps in developing power, simultaneously improving our balance and stability. This exercise helps in coordination between ankle extension, knee extension, and firing of glutes to optimize power and balance. Number 8. Squat jumps. Drive the hip back, bend at the knees and ankles. Press your knees slightly open as you sit down into a squat position, keeping your heels and toes on the ground, chest up and shoulders back. Strive to eventually reach parallel, meaning knees are bent to a 90-degree angle. Lunge pose. As you exhale, step your right foot forward between your hands. Lower your left knee to the floor, sliding the foot back until you feel a nice stretch in the left hip and tight. Keeps the hip low and level with each other. Number 10. Spine stretch forward. Rotational stretch is a gentle spinal twist that strengthens your core muscles and reduce tension in your back. Start by lying on your back, knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Stretch your arms out to the sides with your shoulders firmly on the floor. Slowly roll both knees to one side and rest them on the floor. Starting your day with these tips like give you an energetic and healthy beginning. If you need more specific recipes or information, feel free to ask and I can provide further assistance.